Howdy everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. I am continuing my baby shower series with project number 10, which is actually complete. I have decorated the house for the party and you wanted to see that, so here it is. Okay, so as you walk up to my front door on the side, I have this little topiary that I purchased just so that I can put in here, and I've actually added a little blue bow, and right next to it is a little pot of geraniums. Turning over here to the little bench, I've got some, what are these? Hydrangeas, and I bought these in blue. I thought they would look really pretty. Got little pots there and some extra little pots right there. And then I've got a very simple welcoming wreath right here on my front door. And I've put 3 little grapevine wreaths together, wired them together behind the back. Put a little bit of this greenery. I put a little teddy bear, a little robe on him so he looks like he's swinging. Some ribbon hanging off, a little star and a little cute little baby, and then a ribbon to hang. Very simple. That's the front door. Alright, and this is the entry, and right here I've set up a little diaper station. This is actually a little message area. As you can see here, it says write a message, silly or sweet, and I've got some markers there so they can write on the diapers whatever they want, whether they leave a little message or draw something cute, just silly things or inspirational if they want. And these will obviously be used for the baby. We've got blank ones here, and that is just a little idea to fill that up. And here we have a nice lighted star. This is actually my sister-in-law's, and she brought it over so that I can set it up on there. Over here I've just got some little dangling items, some little star cutouts and some curling ribbon, and then I've got 2 little birds here, and I found this little nest with a little egg, so I thought I'd put that right on there, and I think that looks really pretty. As you walk in to my side here is just a balloon with some cutout stars as well. All right, this is just the entry. All right, here we are in the living room. The cat is not part of the decoration, but he does look pretty there. Okay, I've got a little windmill with some lights there in the fireplace, and I've made this extra garland. I think I mentioned that I had an extra garland with some silver stars, and I just put a little cutout pieces of fabric and ribbon that I've tied onto it. And I've just made a little display up here with that arrangement that I showed you as well. A picture of the expecting couple. One of the arrangements with the hot air balloon that I've created. Here are their corsages ready to pin on them. And I've just got some balloons up on the side, some more stars. And then I've got this little area here where I've set up for gifts. And I've got this lighted up balloon that I thought was really neat. So there we go. This is just a start. Okay, so here is my little setup, and here are the balloons that I created. One on this side with candy, and then one on the other side with more candy. And then I've got a bowl here. We're going to put a fruit salad in there. We've got some nuts, and then all these cookies. I have them covered right now, but they will get uncovered. So here's some more cookies that I've made. The little kisses and the little booties. And then here are the cupcakes that I have made. I have a ton more that I plan on putting, but I've just put these here for now so that you can see how the display looks with all the cupcakes. The diaper cake that I created, some balloons and the banner. And then over here in this corner I've got an arrangement with some balloons. And we put that there. And of course that special little fun guest, and we've got an ice chest to put some ice. And over here I've got it set up with paper plates and some extra napkins, some waters, our silverware. All I did was wrap some forks and some little napkins, put a little bow on them. Here's that other star that I told you about. Here we've got a nice baby blue drink here, and of course I'm going to put some ice in here for these waters to get them going. And then we've just got a little station here with some iced tea, and we're going to put some ice in that bucket there, and then we're going to put all the food right here, the utensils to serve that. We're going to be having fajita botanas. What is that? Well, that is a beef and chicken fajitas, and they will be on a bed of nachos, and we'll have some really nice beans that they're going to make for us and some rice, and that'll be here soon. But that won't be in this little introduction, so that's how I decorated. As you can see, it's not a lot. It seems like a lot, but really and truly, it's pretty open in the area where we're all going to be sitting. Most of the decoration is on this table that you can see right here. And that's it, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed my baby shower series, and I hope that you will give me a big old thumbs up. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up. I think I did a lot of work, and I'm really happy with it. Very proud, and very fulfilled. All right, everyone, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Leave a nice comment down below, and make sure you share on your social medias. And as always, enjoy.